Welcome back to the new video. And after many days I have make this video on the many of the friends are talking about how can we prepare for the exam. As we know, the 15 number, the containing 50 number is coming from the qbasic, and many of people do not have any idea about the qbasic. So I have got one of the application where the some of the question models, some of the question of the qbasic are found. So without any late, let's start. First of all, let me to open the Play Store. So here I am going to search at the Play Store. As you also open the Play Store in the new application, and in the search, just search at the qbasic. When you search at the qbasic, yes, I search at the qbasic runner, and here is the one of the app which you have to install. So just click on this. When you click on this, when you click on this, just install, and when you open it, the interface like that. And if I know many of you have the tomorrow examination, so just go in the essay, and here are the all your question solution. So thank you friends, hope you like this video and share it to the many more, because many of the people don't have any knowledge about the qbasic and how to prepare for them. They also get an idea from this. So hope you like this. Don't forget to share to your friend, because one help it lead to your one share can lead to the river of the blow. And wishing you for the best luck of the examination, and best of luck, and tata bye bye.